Hey guys, if you want to see this 3-in-1 get ready with me, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with my moisturizer, and I'm just going to moisturize my face. And then I'm going to use my Beauty Bakerie foundation in the shade 17 and apply that on my face. Then I'm going to use my Mario Badescu spray. I think it's a rose water cucumber spray, and I'm just going to spray my face with that. And then some on my brush. And then blend that in. So I'm going to do a mixture of like stippling motions and also like wiping motions, you know, just however the foundation feels to move. That depends on how I'm gonna move my brush. Sorry if I'm tripping on my words. My brother is making so much noise and he's distracting me. Shucks. Anyway, now I'm going to contour. Shama! Jesus. Now I'm gonna contour with my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the shade Espresso. And then I'm just going to use this brush to buff that in. Now I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Deep. And I just started using this and I love it so much. It's the bomb. And I'm just going to highlight my face. You know, that's going to be under my eyes, down my nose, my forehead, Cupid's bow, chin, you know, under my contour, you know, all the regular places. Nothing new, nothing special, same drill. Then I'm going to use my Real Techniques beauty sponge and blend that out. So blend, 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 blend. Now I'm going to use my Beauty Bakerie setting powder called Flower, I think. I'm going to set my face and I'm just dusting that away. So now I'm just going to cover up my eyebrows. And I was kind of feeling myself because I felt like it looked cute, you know. Look at it. Just, you know, nice, symmetrical. And this is why we are always late. Like and leave a comment if this is why you're always late to any event too, sis. So now I'm going in with my Morphe palette. I can't remember the number, but I'll leave that in the description box. And I'm just going to use that brown shade and buff that into my crease. Shamwa, could you stop? Still running late. Like I was so late and look at me. Wow. Anyway, back to my Morphe palette again. So I'm going to use this orange shade. I'm going to go right above that brown shade just to add, you know, a little bit of color and to kind of match my outfit. Now I'm going to use that brown and a tad bit of that black, and I'm going to blend that into my crease just for some definition, you know, a little glam, a little glitz. And buff that into my crease. Make sure it's nice and blended. Now I'm going in with this shimmery shade. It's like an orange with like gold sparkles in it. I'm gonna put that on my lid. And guys, if you can't tell, I have individual lashes, so you know they look cute or whatever. And now I'm gonna take that other shimmery shade and put that in my crease. Now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty setting powder. Oh my god, I love this so much. It's a nutmeg. I'm gonna put that all over my face. I think every brown girl needs it. Now I'm going in with my Black Radiance contour palette. I'm using this brown shade to contour. I have been using this for years and I love it. I'll never get rid of it. I love it. Now I'm gonna spray my face with my Mario Badescu spray again. And I'm gonna move on to the next thing. I'm going to line my lips with a regular old brown pencil from the beauty supply store. I don't care about lip liners like that. Like, I just use whatever. Then I'm using this Milani liquid lipstick. I forgot the shade, but again, everything will be in the description box. Now I'm going back in with that orange eyeshadow that we used before, and I'm just going to line my lash line with that. Now I'm using my ItsMyRayeRaye Palette, and I use those two colors to highlight my face. Dog, if I had to talk to this boy one more time. Now I'm going in with my NYX Butter Gloss, and I'm going to use that same highlight shade that I use, and I'm going to put that in the corners of my eyes and highlight my nose. And now I'm going to line my waterline with a black eyeliner pencil. And I'm just using a brush to like hold my face so I don't smudge, you know, my foundation. I did a not a waterline. What's it called? A wing liner. And that spray that I just used is from Makeup Revolution. I can't remember what it's called, but again, everything's in the description box. Now I'm using my Morphe Continuous Spray, and I'm just going to spray my face. I've been spraying my face a lot, and I feel like it just helps with my makeup. So now it's on to hair. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys. I thought I was recording, but I was not. But I just have the back of my head in like 4 cane rows going back, and I have some leave out in the front because we're gonna do like a half up, half down type situation. And I'm using these clip-ins from Lacer Hair, and I did a review for them like a while back, and I'm going to leave that video in the cards above and also in the description box so you can check it out. I got it from Amazon. It's really nice, and I'm just going to clip that in my hair. I'm gonna go all the way up to the top where my leave out is at. I should have taken my time and washed my clip-ins and also try to separate it some more, but I was running so late, like I just had to go. I didn't have time to do that. So now I'm just gonna pin the back up a little bit so I can work on the half up of this half up and half down situation, you know. So my leave out, I just co-washed it right before when I took a shower. I co-washed it, and now I'm using my Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner. I think that's what it is. No, it's not. It's the Eco Styler black castor oil leave and flaxseed something leave-in conditioner. I think that's what it is, but whatever, I'll leave that in the description box as well. But I've been using it lately and I really like it. It's really moisturizing. So I've been having some trouble with my hair, but you know, my edges not all the way together, but says they're coming back like they never left, you understand? So I'm just going to put my gel, and I'm going to brush that all the way into a ponytail. I use the Eco Styler black castor oil and flaxseed gel, which is what I had, but I really wouldn't recommend using that for like a style. I feel like it just doesn't set your hair the same way like the olive oil one does. I don't know, could just be me or what, but you know, it's good for wash and goes or like a twist out or something, but not really when I try to get that nice sleek ponytail look. So now I'm just going to twist that leave out into this big old twist, and I left out one of the clips, trying to find it, I guess. Yeah, I left out one of the clips so I could wrap it around the twist, and this is what I'm gonna use to create my my little bun, so it has the same texture in my bun as the rest of my hair that's left out. I'm just gonna wrap that around and create my little bun, and then I'm gonna put a hair scarf all over it, all over the front. So now I'm just showing you my little outfit. I have this bodysuit from Forever 21. It looks good. It fits good, you know. Twins are sitting nicely, if I do say so myself. This little gold belt, I bought this from Marshall's, I think, a while back. And it's really cute. And I have this cute cheetah print purse, and I got this from Didi's Discount. I love that place. And I have these clear heels from my 9.99 store. I love that store. But anyway, this is just my outfit. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.